pay $100 more, so you're willing to cancel the pickup, the load. Mind you, since I was already almost at the pickup, they have to pay me a truck not used rate, which is what they pay you if you get there and they cancel it. I told them that I was there, of $200. So now you're gonna end up paying $100 more, because you have the rate at motherfucking 16 already. You're gonna pay me $200 for the truck not used. So even if you kept it at 16, you're paying 18. You were paying 17 before. Yo, so stupid. So I'm on my way back to Massachusetts. I already booked another load for $1,400. So it's like I'm getting $1,600, and it's the even closer load. Like, I just don't get it. That's so stupid. But hey, I'm good. I already booked another load. I'm not sweating it. He's paying me $200 for the truck not used. So what are you gonna do? I don't get it. People are dumb. They make dumb decisions. But what are you really gonna do? Not my problem. Still getting paid. Yo, this keeps on getting funnier and funnier. I swear to God. So I get an email saying that they don't want to pay me the $200 truck not used because the appointment was for 1 p.m. and the load wasn't ready yet. And I got there. I was gonna get there at 10. I was like, so the person that called me and offered me the truck not used said she can't pay me because it's cutting into her thing. So even though I didn't get there yet and I was still 20 minutes away, I told them that I was there. They were like, oh, you can't. And I was like, so I'm being penalized because I was early for a load. You know how many times I go to loads and they book me earlier than the scheduled time? So obviously I'm gonna go there earlier. Time is money. Like, this day is running away. So she's sitting there trying to argue with me, and she's like, well, I can't cut into my... I'm like, I don't care. I need to speak to your manager because I'm not eating 80 miles because I told her I drove 40 miles there and now I'm driving 40 miles back. I'm not eating 80 miles. She's like, well, I can't pay you. I'm like, all right, cool. You can't help me. I need to speak to your manager. And this chick goes to whoever's in the background and goes, should we just pay him and get it over with? And then she gets back on the line. I think she thought she put me on hold, but she didn't. She gets back. She's like, Jeff, we're just gonna pay you it. Just give me a couple minutes because we don't want to go through the hassle. I'm like, all right, thank you, and click the phone. Because it's like, what the fuck? Clearly, she just didn't want to get her manager involved because she knows she fucked up, or he, or whoever booked the load. Because I booked the load with a dude, and she's the one that called me back and said that the dude canceled it, but they're gonna pay me the truck not used. So I'm like, all right, cool, whatever. I didn't really even get there, so I didn't really care that much. But now I'm just getting disrespected when you tell me that you're not paying me the truck not used. They didn't know that I get there. They were in the thing that I was at the shipper right there. So I argued. I pulled a Jeff Remy. I don't give a fuck. I'm not taking that L. I'm like, so you're saying you don't want to take an L, take the loss. But I'm supposed to take the loss. 40 miles there and 40 miles back. That's 80 miles. That's almost 100 miles and you're not trying to fucking pay me? Like, are you fucking crazy? Like, I will argue that to the fucking death. You don't try to take the loss. So then maybe you shouldn't have booked the load. And just because you wanted to get a cheaper driver on it, you call me back and cancel the load. That's your fault. You should have never agreed to book the load. You should have never once you sent me that rate confirmation, and they did, so I have that as evidence, the load is locked in. It doesn't matter if I get there or not. The load is locked in. So if you cancel the load on me, you're giving me a truck not used. I can see if I was at home and on my couch and I booked the load and I didn't even leave my house yet, I wouldn't even ask for a truck not used. I really wouldn't. But the fact that I started driving there, camper that I was at before that until I got a new load. I don't move my tires until I got